Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm speaking from ARSWEBS.com, a Google partner company, and we help clients with digital marketing needs. So I just recently got a query. Let's see the query is Google My Business versus Google Ads. Okay, I have many years experience running Google Ads for clients through agency settings. Okay, I'm starting to do some contract work for small business owners. I don't have much experience managing Google My Business. Are the two products vastly different? What should I expect navigating from traditional paid search via Google Ads to managing Google My Business? Okay, so if you have been, you have many years of experience regarding Google Ads and you don't know regarding Google My Business, so that is a questionable thing. Okay, but I'm just ignoring this thing. Now answering specifically to your question regarding Google My Business and Google Ads, the Google Ads is a advertising platform through which you can run ads, while the Google My Business is basically your Google business profile on Google. For instance, if this is how we run Google Ads, and if I show you my company over here on the Google, you may see around over here. Now this is my Google business profile over here. So the both are eventually different things. Now regarding your question on if also do not mix it with LSA ads. Local service ads is a completely different thing. If you are doing a comparison with LSA ads with the Google Ads, that is a different thing. But if you're doing a comparison with Google My Business versus Google Ads, both are different. Google Ads is for running ads, and Google My Business is for managing your Google business profile on the Google. Plus, this can help you with SEO, search engine optimization, so you can rank for different queries near you on Google. Now, as you can also run ads for your Google business profile through Google Ads, also through LSA ads. Now both have different purposes, but if you have a small business owner and if you are targeting a local specific area, I recommend you to run LSA ads. But if you want to run on city wise or a nationwide, Google Ads is the best thing you can do around. And I hope this answers your question and query. But if anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads, Google My Business, Google Business Ads, local service ads, or anything, we are a full-fledged company with the name of ARSWEBS.com, and you can find me and my company through the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.